All right, the flooring guys just left for the day. It's about 6 o'clock, and I am gonna get in here and try to get primer on all of these walls so that I can test out some paint samples. I have no idea how many coats it's gonna take to cover this mural, so we'll see. Hopefully just one, but I'm betting two. Okay, here's one coat. And as I suspected, that is not gonna be enough. So I will turn the fan on and wait for this to dry and then do another coat while I work on the other walls. Okay, I have 2 coats of primer on the wall, and it's not perfect, but I think it's enough, at least for me to do my paint samples. So here's the paint that I'm gonna do. The first one is called Clear Vista, and it's a really pretty light blue. And then the second one is Tahoe blue. And anyway, okay, here they are together. So you can see that they're just slightly different. The Tahoe blue has a little bit more color to it. So we'll see. Before I do this, I'm gonna show you the wallpaper that it's gonna go with. Okay, the lighting in here is really bad at night. It's gonna have more lighting once I turn it into a closet. But anyway, here is the wallpaper. It's from Jupiter 10, it's called Taylor. And you can see all these colors in it. Now, originally I had thought that I would paint it coral, kind of that color right there. But my mom did a few mock-ups for me and I just did not like that. And then I thought, well, maybe I'll do green. She did a mock-up for me with the green. Didn't love that either. She did a couple more mock-ups for me and they just, nothing really looked right until she did a light blue, kind of in that area. And when I saw that mock-up of the light blue, I thought that's it. It has to be that color. Because I'm trying to bridge teal, like the foyer here is gonna be a dark teal, probably darker than those doors, or not really darker than the doors, but more of a true teal than those doors. And so I'm trying to bridge the teal that will go in here with my navy blue washer and dryer. When I bought the washer and dryer, I had intended for them to go in a completely separate room, like a dedicated laundry room. Plans have changed since then, but the washer and dryer are new. I'm not gonna get a new one. So I've got to somehow bridge those 2 colors, and that's why I bought this wallpaper, because it does have some teal in it, and then it also has the navy blue. So that kind of bridges those colors together, and I just need something in here that will also help to bridge those colors. Okay, so let me get these paint samples on the wall, and we'll take a look at them with the wallpaper. Okay, here are both of those samples with the wallpaper. I thought that I would have a clear favorite, but I actually don't. I like them both. This one's a little more gray. This is the Clear Vista. This is the Tahoe Blue. The Clear Vista has it's a little bit grayer. The Tahoe Blue is a little bluer. And I like them both, so you can let me know what you think.